How to find out fake Instagram account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn a simple method to find out if the account is fake or not on Instagram. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So if you're suspicious of some account and you want to find out if that account is fake or not, what you can do is simply head over to the account that you're suspicious of. So once you are on that account, so the method you can apply up is most of the fake Instagram accounts often has bios that doesn't match the typical patterns of the genuine users. Along with that, they also have random posts that are not something a normal people would post. They are just creating up a fake Instagram account that doesn't match up with their bio, their profile picture itself, and their number of following or followers as well. So when you head over to your profile, many fake profile use different kind of bios, different pictures that are downloaded from the internet. Those kind of suspicious thing will likely give you a reason to see and find out that account is fake. So that is one of the easiest method you can use up in order to find if account is fake on Instagram or not. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.